It's a very young environment, and I get to work with a lot of people that I know.
Everyone knows my name. I know their name.
We always work really good together, and everyone is super nice, and we work really efficiently but still have a lot of fun.
We work hard, but at the same time, they try to make it fun.
I think my favorite part about KI is the team environment that I get to work with.
Everyone here is really nice and friendly, and we really work as a team here in my cell, and I think in the plant as a whole.
Everybody's pretty down to earth. You're doing the same job. Everybody chips in and it helps.
I actually am learning more here than I am in class sometimes. You know, we go through a subject in class and I'm like, oh, I already know what I'm doing because of working at KI.
I've been here 5 summers now, and I've kind of figured out that I want to do something in manufacturing.
I was leaning towards mechanical engineering. Then when I started working here, I saw the automation, I saw how everything flows. I really got interested in the industrial manufacturing side of it.
One thing I really like about working here is I get to work with my hands every day and have a little bit of fun with it.
I really like the culture. It's something different every day. We have so much customization here in product that there's no monotony.
I mean, there's always something new to do here if you ever want to do something else.
I think for my first real job, KI was a very comfortable and welcoming place.